Good afternoon, everybody. How are you? I hope that of all you are well. I am also fine. Welcome to my class Higher Mathematics First Paper, Chapter 4, Circle. Today I will give second lecture on this chapter. In my previous lecture, I explained definition of circle, center of circle, radius of circle, locus, and the equation of circle at the center at the origin, and the equation of circle given center and also given radius, and finally I have discussed the general equation of circle. Today I will discuss a point will be on a circle or outside of circle or inside of circle. Now follow the board, everyone. At first I have drawn a circle whose center minus a and whose radius is equal to r. R is equal to, we have no square root over z square plus f square minus c. So the equation of the circle will be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And take a point P, that is a point P, or you can take the point P inside the circle, or you can take a point on a circle. Let's see. You can take here the point P outside of the circle, the point P on a circle, and the point P inside the circle. Okay, now join this. Take O with the center. If the coordinates of the point P be x1, y1, we can write OP square is equal to x1 plus z whole square plus y1 plus f whole square. This is the distance formula. That's mean OP is equal to square root over x1 minus of minus c. So here will be plus y1 minus of minus f makes here plus. We have to make a relation between OP and R means radius. Okay, so follow this, everyone. This equal to, we can write, this implies OP is square. We have to take here R square. Why? Because as we have taken here OP is square, so we have to take here R square. This equal to, now calculate, we get x1 whole square plus 2z x1 plus z square plus y1 whole square plus 2f y1 plus f square minus r square. But r is equal to what? R is equal to, I have written here r is equal to square root over z square plus f square minus c. Therefore, r square is equal to z square plus f square minus c. So this, putting in this equation, we get x1 whole square plus 2z x1 plus z square plus y1 whole square plus 2f y1 plus f square minus z square minus f square plus c. This cut. Now arranging x1 whole square plus y1 whole square plus 2z x1 plus 2f y1 plus c. That's mean OP square minus R square is equal to this. Okay, this is a length, because After putting the coordinates of the point P, we will get this relation, and from this 0 to P, this is a distance also, R this is a distance, so that will be distance. Okay, remember this. Now, if the point P outside the circle, that's means OP, that's means from here to here will be greater than radius R, that is equal to R, that is equal to R. This equal to, we can write OP square greater than R square. This equal to, we can write OP square minus R square greater than 0. That's mean this equal to, we can write OP square minus R square. This equal to, we have already got x1 whole square plus y1 whole square plus 2z x1 plus 2f y1 plus c, that is equal to 0. Clear everyone? Now follow an example. If the equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y plus 1. Okay, if you will take a point on this circle or outside of circle or inside of circle, the like best, but I have taken here the point 1 1. So after putting this point, we'll get 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 1. This equal to 2, this and this 2 minus 2 plus 1, 2 to cut. This equal to 3, this is greater than 0. So we can say the point 1 1 outside of this circle. Okay, that's mean either here or here or here or here. Clear? Again, if OP is equal to R, that's mean the point P lie on circle. That's mean this is a OP and this is also radius. So if OP equal to R, we can write this equal to R square. So here will be 0. That's mean this equal to, we can write this equal to 0. Clear? Now follow example everyone. If a point, for example 2 minus 1, what will be the value of this equation? Here will be 4, here will be 1, here will be minus 4, here will be minus 2, here will be 1. Calculate this cut. 1, 2, that's mean this equal to 0. So the point this will be lying on the circle, either this point or this point or this point, any point, but that will be lie on circle. Clear? And if the distance, that's mean OP, this is the OP and this is a radius. Okay, which one is greater? Radius is greater. So OP less than R. Here R is greater than OP, or OP less than R. Okay, so this equal to R square, so this less than 0 and that will be less than 0. Same process, but only inequality will be sensed. Clear? Now follow our example. Here take a point. Which point? Take 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Putting this will get minus 1 whole square, that's mean 1. 1 square, that's mean 1 minus 2 minus 2 plus 1. That's mean minus 4 plus 3. This equal to, we can write minus 1. Minus 1 less than 0. So the point this inside the circle, that's mean minus 1 1, or you can take minus 1 1 or anywhere, but that will be inside the circle. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now remember all these relations that are important for MCQ and some creative question. Now I'll discuss intercepts made on the axis by a circle. Intercepts, that's mean intercepts made on a the axis by a circle. Okay, here is axis and another, that is AXIS. This is AXIS and this is AXIS. This is a plural form and this is a singular form. Axis means both axes, that's mean x axis and y axis. Intercepts, that's mean when you take a circle which intersect, that is a x prime, another y prime over the origin. Take a circle, intercept in both axes. This is A, this is B. That's mean intersecting part of the circle along x-axis will be AB, and here will be, if this is C and this is D, then this part, that's mean from here to here, this is a intersecting part from y-axis. But what is the result of AB? We know on x-axis y will be 0. On x-axis y will be 0. That's mean the equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, this equal to 0, or the equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, this equal to r square. Okay, as on x-axis y is equal to 0, so putting y equal to 0, we will get x square plus 2gx, here will be 0, here will be c. This is a quadratic equation. Quadratic means here degree 2. So this is a quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c, this equal to 0. As this is a quadratic equation, so it has two roots. One is x1 and another one is x2. That's mean this equation intersect the x-axis at 2 points. One is x1 0 and another one is x2 0. That's mean here from O to A this equal to, that's mean OA this equal to x1 and OB this equal to x2. What will be the result of AB? AB from here, AB this equal to OB minus OA. AB means from here you have subtract this, that's mean OB minus this, that's mean x2 minus x1. We have to find the value of this, but x1 and x2 are the roots of this equation. So we can write sum of this root x1 plus x2, this equal to minus b by a. Minus b, here b mean 2z, that's mean minus 2z, a mean 1, so no need to write here 1. Comparing this equation, x square plus bx plus c, this equal to 0. B mean 2z, A mean 1. A mean no coefficient here, that's mean 1. Okay. So sum of this root, this equal to minus b by a. Minus b mean 2c by a mean 1, so no need to write 1. And another one is product of the root, x1, x2. This equal to c by a, c. Here's and here's is same. So c by a mean 1, so no need to write here 1. That's means c by a. Comparing this equation, we can write this. But we have got AB is equal to x2 minus x1, but you have to use here absolute value. Why? Because distance always positive. So this equal to we can write square root over x2 minus x1 whole square, as square and square root will be only this. And also from absolute value of function we can write absolute value of x square, this equal to x square. Okay, now calculate. Inside the square root, a minus b whole square, what will be the corollary? A minus b whole square, this equal to, we can write, this equal to, we can write x2 plus x1 whole square minus 4x1 x2. That means a plus b whole square minus 4ab. This equal to, we can write, this equal to minus 2c whole square minus 4 into c whole square. This equal to, we can write 4c square minus 4c square root. This equal to 4 into c square minus c square root. This equal to 2 square root over c square minus c. Clear? But from the equation of x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square, this equal to r square. From here we can write intercepting part from x axis. Z is equal to, you know what? Z is equal to minus a. So this equal to, we can write minus a whole square minus c. C is equal to ac square plus k square minus r square. We have known this relation, c is equal to this. Now calculate, we will get from here to ac square minus k square plus r square. This equal to 2 square root of it. At first you have to write r square minus k square. This and these are same, but this we have got from this equation and this we have got from x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2y plus c. From this equation we get this relation. Both are same but depend on the given equation. Okay, we will find the intercepting part from x-axis or y-axis. In similar way, we can solve or we can find the intercepting part from y-axis. All will be same. Only here would be only changed. Here it will be f square. Okay, this is the intercepting part from y-axis. Here will be only changed k. Instead of k will be h. This is the intercepting part from y-axis and this is the intercepting part from y-axis. Both are same. Okay. Now some examples. Follow this everyone. Given a equation x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square, this equal to 5 square. From here you have to find the intercepting part from x-axis. From x-axis intercepting part, this equal to r square minus k square. This equal to intercepting part from x-axis. This equal to 2 square root over r square. R means 5. So r square means 5 square minus k mean minus 3. Why? Because here is given plus, so you convert y minus 3, second bracket whole square. So this will be minus 3. That's mean k equal to minus 3. So we can write whole square. Now calculate, we get 2 square root over 25 minus 9. This equal to 16. That's mean 2 into 4. This equal to 8 unit. This is the required answer. Clear? Or we can find the intercepting part from y-axis. Only here will be s square. S means 2. So here will be 2. Here will be 4. Here will be square root over 21. Okay, this is the required answer. Or another equation is the form of general equation of circle. That's mean x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1. This is the equation of circle. Is the form of general equation. That means center will be 1 and 2, or c is equal to 1. Intersected part from y-axis. This equal to 2 square root over f square minus c. 2f square mean 4, c mean 1. So 2 square root over 3. This is the required answer. So homework, everybody will be solve the problem related this formula. Okay, all problems you have to solve related to this formula. Okay, up to this finish today. Thank you.